My name is Dr. Supreet Bajwa and I'm an orthopedic surgeon working in Mumbai. Following my qualification as an orthopedic surgeon, I did further subspecialty training in hip and knee replacement surgeries to treat patients with hip and knee arthritis. I undertook this in Sydney under the guidance of Dr. Sol Qureshi and Dr. Yasser Khatib. Thereafter, I took another year of training under the guidance of Dr. Daevyd Rodda and Dr. Frank Connon at the Sunshine Coast Orthopedic Group. There, I performed joint replacement surgeries, including procedures for patients who require complex revision, hip and knee replacements for various conditions such as trauma, infection, or failing prosthesis. I've been an orthopedic surgeon for 7 years and I performed over 600 joint replacement surgeries. These days, my practice works around developing techniques of minimally invasive surgeries of the hips and knees. Minimally invasive surgeries focus on techniques to cause least tissue damage and therefore lead to faster initial functional recovery. I'm a strong proponent of cutting-edge techniques in the field of joint replacement surgeries, and I'm trained in performing the hip replacement surgery through the direct anterior approach. My choice for this approach is that in the right patient, this technique is associated with less pain and earlier restoration of function in the early recovery after surgery. An emerging area of minimally invasive surgeries is the robotic hip and knee replacement surgery. The goal of robotically assisted hip and knee replacement is to provide a more accurately placed hip or knee replacement implant with better soft tissue balancing. This could potentially lead to better long-term survival and better functional outcomes. The procedures I perform on the hip is the total hip replacement surgery through the minimally invasive anterior and minimally invasive posterior approach. The operations I perform on the knee are the total and partial knee replacements along with knee arthroscopy. The surgery for foot and ankle that I perform are the surgeries for bunions and arthritis of the forefoot and ankle. I also perform surgeries for the shoulder, including total and reverse total replacement surgeries and various trauma surgeries for all limbs. I operate at various hospitals in North, South and Navi Mumbai, including Wokhad Hospital, MPCT Hospital and Somaya Hospital. If joint pain is causing you a problem or if you've had a recent injury, please contact us to make an appointment.